Introducing Design Freedom in UGS NX5. NX5 has been enhanced to provide new technologies that make interactions with traditional modeling history trees optional. NX5 users can continue their use with traditional history-based technology using sketches and constraints to control how things are constructed in a particular order, or with the new Design Freedom technologies, allowing rapid geometry modification without regard to the construction order. The enhanced direct modeling functions enable NX5 to work on model data regardless of its history, from simple BREP to feature-rich models. NX5 Intelligent Selection allows you to automatically select all the appropriate geometry. With just a single pick, a user can edit this complex geometry even though it was imported with no features. The dynamic preview shows how rotating this feature will modify the model. Designers often create complex geometry that cannot be easily modified with traditional modeling techniques. NX5 Design Freedom allows users to edit geometry independently of design intent. Design Freedom also provides tools for intelligent geometry selection, such as these louvers. The louvers on the sheet metal part can be easily selected, moved, and stretched as needed by dragging or keying in new values. Geometry can be selected and modified in groups or individually. Unlike competitive systems, NX Design Freedom gives engineers the flexibility to focus on the design rather than the constraints required by the system. The UGS Freedom technologies also provide the users with tools for smart mating of assemblies. The combination of NX5 and Teamcenter allows designers to publish and manage interface data that defines how the parts fit together, including connection points, locations, and interface geometry. NX5 promotes innovation so you can design better products faster. Its unique modeling approach offers full freedom when you create, detail, and change designs.